Okay, so in this question, they've given O to A as A, O to C as C. M is a point on BC such that B to M to C is given as 3:2. And then the line AB is extended to point N. So I'm going to extend this line to N so that OMN, it's a straight line, yeah? So I'm just going to extend this. You know what I'm trying to say in there, yeah? So that's N. Find the ratio of A to B, B to N. Okay, don't worry about this for now. First thing that you would do in any vectors question is, because it's a parallelogram, if this is A, C to B is also going to be A. So this side is going to be A. And I know A to C, A to B is going to be C, because opposite sides are equal and parallel. Now, can I be able to find O to N? O to N, can I find it? Maybe not just yet, because O to N is O to A to N. We'll write the direction, O to A to N. O to A, I know it's A, but A to N, I don't know. I'll just keep it blank, yeah? And then I'm going to do O to M. Let's see if I can do O to M. O to M is O to C, C to M. But O to M, C to M, they have said B to M and M to C is 3:2. This is 2/5 A and that's 3/5 A. Yeah, that's in that direction. So O to C is C and C to M is going to be 2/5 A. So therefore O to M is ready. But O to N I still don't know yet. The question is to find A to B and B to N. So they want you to find B to N. Now to do this, I think the best way is, like, if you want to find what is O to N is on the line O to N. Like this thing here is on this line. So can I say a multiple of this is this? So I'm just going to call that lambda, the multiple as lambda, C plus 2/5 A. That's your O to N. Yeah. Okay, that's one thing I know. But O to N can also be written as O to A to N, which I've written it. But I don't know anything about A to N. So what I'm going to do, isn't it a multiple of this A to B, A to N? So what multiple? And I'm going to write that as mu times C. Where when I write this mu and then this lambda are things that you need to calculate. But I've written O to N in two different ways. Now how I knew that I need to do O to N is because they did clearly say here, OMN is a straight line. So they're trying to hint you, okay, go do O to N somehow. But they know that you can't do O to N straight away. So they want you to do it in two ways and then equate it. So A plus mu C is the same as lambda times C plus 2/5 A. So A plus mu C is lambda C plus 2/5 lambda A. And how many A's do I have on this side is 1A. How many A's do I have on that side is 2/5 lambda A. So I'm going to equate that. And then I'm going to say lambda is 5/2. Yeah. And how many C do I have on this side? Mu C equals lambda C. So mu is equal to lambda. Now, because mu is equal to lambda, I've calculated the lambda. Lambda is 5/2. Mu is going to be 5/2 as well. Now, let's just go back and then review it. I've done everything I could now. Yeah. It says here A to N, like this A to N, is mu times C. Something times this is this. And what was it? 5/2. So this is 5/2C, which is like 2.5C. If the whole thing is 2.5C, this is C means this is going to be 1.5 C, no? So the ratio of A to B to B to N is C to 1.5 C, which is 1 is to 1.5.